exercise 10A, second bit, 7th question. Second bit, 7th question. If C equal to 60 degrees, then show that first one, A by B plus C plus B by C plus A equal to 1. Second, B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square equal to 0. So if C equal to 60 degrees, then show that these two. So first solution, angle C equal to 60 degrees. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Simply formula A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 2AB cos C. So A square plus B square, C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 60. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. 2 cancel. C square equal to A square plus B square minus AB. So this I want to take one condition. According to angle 60, we will get this one. First one, A by B plus C plus B by C plus C. A by B plus C, C by B by C plus C. Taking LCM, B plus C of C plus A, C plus A into A of C plus A, B of B plus C implies A into C AC, A into A square, B into B square, B into C BC by BC by B into C BC, B into A AB, C into C square, C into A C. Okay, so I want to substitute the value of C square from equation. So A square plus B square plus AC plus BC by BC plus AB plus CA plus C square equal to A square plus B square minus AB. So here plus AB minus AB cancel. Numerator A square plus B square plus AC plus BC by A square plus B square plus BC plus C. So if we observe, entire numerator and denominators are same. A square, B square, AC, CA, BC, BC. So this one getting cancelled, we will get 1. So it is proved. Next, second, B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square. C square minus B square. So I want to write a C square value. So B by C square value A square plus B square minus AB minus A square plus A by C square A square plus B square minus AB minus B square. So here A square cancel, here B square cancel. Simplifying, B by B square minus A B plus A by A square minus AB, A square minus AB. So B by B comma B minus A plus A by A comma A minus B. So B cancel, A cancel. 1 by B minus A minus comma minus 1 by B minus A. 1 by B minus A, 1 by B minus A cancel 0. So this is equal to RHS. So this is the required solution. Okay. So same kind of problem in a similar kind of problem in example 17th question. Example 17. Example 17. In triangle ABC, if 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. Show that c equal to 60 degrees. Okay. For this problem, angle c equal to 60 degrees it is given. For this problem, so condition given, we need to prove angle c equal to 60 degrees. Okay, solution: 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. Taking LCM, a plus c, b plus c, numerator b plus c, a plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. Now a plus b, c plus c, 2c by a into b, ab, a into c, ac, c into b, ac, c into c, c square equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. Now cross multiplication, a plus b plus 2c into a plus b plus c equal to 3 of ab plus ac plus bc plus c square plus c square. Now a into a square, a into b ab, a into c ac, b into a ab, b into b b square, b into c bc, 2c into a 2ac, 2c into b 2bc, 2c into c 2c square equal to 3ab, 3ac, 3bc, 3c square plus 3c square. Now, so bringing these all terms this side. So first a square plus b square plus 2c square. A square plus b square plus 2c square. Now ab, 2ab, ab plus ab, 2ab. Next ac plus 2ac, 3ac. Next bc plus 2bc, 3bc equal to 3ab plus 3ac plus 3bc plus 3c square. Both sides 3ac cancel, 3bc cancel. Okay, now this 2c square this side, 3ab outside. 3c square minus 2c square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. 3c square minus 2c square. C square equal to a square plus b square plus minus ab. So now c square formula: a square plus b square plus minus 2ab cos c equal to a square plus b square minus ab. Both sides a square cancel, b square cancel. So cos c equal to minus ab by minus 2ab. ab cancel. So cos c equal to 1 by 2. Cos c value 1 by 2 implies c equal to 60 degrees. So cos is 1 by 2 at an angle 60 degrees. And this is the required solution. Okay, next example 19. Example 19 is show that a plus b plus c tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 equal to 2c cos c by 2. 2c cos c by 2. Okay, so I am taking LHS. A plus b plus c of tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2. So a plus b plus c formula 2s. Tan a by 2 formula, we have three formulas, square root formula. I want to take a numerator delta formula, delta by S of S minus A. This formula delta by S of S minus B. Delta by S of S minus B. So 2S into delta by S common 1 by S minus A plus 1 by S minus B. So S cancel 2 delta denominator S minus A into S minus B. Numerator S minus B into S minus plus S minus A. So 2 delta into S plus S 2S minus A minus B by S minus A S minus B. So 2 delta into 2S minus A minus B equal to C by S minus A S minus B. S minus A S minus C. Okay, so 2 into C delta by S minus A S minus C S minus B. So this is the formula for cot C by 2. So it is equal to 2C cot C by 2. 2C cot C by 2. This is equal to RHS. So this is the required solution. Okay, next question. Example 20. Example 20. So example 20 show that b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b c square sin 2b equal to bc sin a equal to 2bc sin a. Okay, now I want to take LHS. b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b. b square sin 2c plus c square sin 2b. So b square equal to b equal to 2r sin b. b equal to 2r sin b, c equal to 2r sin c. So 2r sin b whole square sin 2c plus c square equal to 2r sin c whole square sin 2b. So next one. So here 2r sin b whole square 2 sin 2c 2r sin c whole square sin 2b. So in this, so actually what I want to do, I want to do square, I want to apply sin 2a formula. So 4 r square sin square b into 2 sin c cos c plus 4 r square sin square c 2 sin b cos b. 2 sin b cos b. Okay, so I want to take something common. So what is common? 4r square 2 8r square common. Now in this sin b, in this sin b, in this sin c, in this sin c common. So sin b sin c also common. Then sin b, one more sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. So sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b formula sin of a plus b. So 8r square sin b sin c. 8r square sin b sin c. This is sin of b plus c. Sin of b plus c. Sin of b plus c equal to 8r square sin b sin c into, so sin 180 minus c. So I will write this one 2 into 2r into sin b into 2r into sin c. So 2 into 2 into 2 8, 2 into 2 4 into 2 8, r into r square sin b sin c. So sin of 180 minus theta. So sin of 180 minus theta. So this is actually 180 minus a. b plus c equal to 180 minus a sin a. 2r sin b equal to small b 2b. 2r sin c equal to small c equal to sin a. 2bc sin a which is equal to RHS. So this is the required proof. Okay, next question. Next question, exercise question number 10. Secondary 10th question. So secondary 10th question, prove that b minus a cos c, b minus a cos c plus c of cos b minus cos a, cos b minus cos a equal to c sin of a minus b by 2, c sin of a minus b by 2, cosec a plus b by 2, cosec a plus b by 2. So b minus a cos c plus c of cos b minus cos a equal to c sin of a minus b by 2, cosec a plus b by 2. Okay, now so here solution taking LHS. b minus a cos c plus c of cos b minus cos c, cos b minus cos c. So I want to split now. b into cos c, b cos c minus a cos c, b cos c minus a cos c plus c cos b minus c cos c. Now so b cos c one bracket plus c cos b one bracket minus comma a cos c plus c cos c another bracket. So this is one bracket, this is another bracket. Projection rule, this is equal to a simply, this is equal to b. So a minus b implies a I am writing 2r sin a minus b 2r sin b. So this is 2r sin a, this is 2r sin b. 2r common sin a minus sin b. Sin a minus sin b. This is sin c minus sin d formula. What is sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. 2 r into 2 cos a plus b by 2 into a plus b by 2 into what? Sin a minus b by 2. If we observe, it is already a minus b by 2. So I want to multiply and divide with sin a plus b by 2. 2r 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2 by sin of a plus b by 2. Simply writing this one in numerator, denominator. Simply nothing I done. So in numerator this right and denominator also I wrote this one. So 2 sin a sin cos a, 2 sin a cos a, formula sin 2 2r sin 2 into a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2 by sin of a plus b by 2. So 2 cancel. Sin of a plus b formula. So a plus b I want to write 180 minus c. 2r sin 180 minus c sin a minus b by 2. So sin a minus b by 2. Sin I want to write in numerator, it will be cosec. Cosec a plus b by 2. Now sin of 180 minus theta. 180 sin will become sin. Second quadrant sin is positive. 2r sin c into sin of a plus b by 2 a minus b by 2 into cosec a plus b by 2. 2r sin c equal to c, small c sin a minus b by 2 cosec a plus b by 2. So c sin of a minus b by 2 cosec a plus b by 2 this is equal to RHS. This we need to prove. Okay, next question number 11. So 11th question is x plus a sin square c by 2 a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2 c sin square a by 2 in terms of s a b c. S a b c. So we need to prove this one. Solution. What is given? I want to take a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2. Sin c by 2 formula under root of s minus a into s minus b by ab. So a into under root square cancel s minus a s minus b by ab plus c into s minus b s minus c by bc. So c cancel, a cancel. What is common? S minus b numerator, b denominator. S minus b by b numerator, s minus a. Another numerator, s minus c. So s minus b by b. Next, s plus s, 2s minus a minus c. So s minus b by b into 2s minus a minus b equal b. b cancel. Answer s minus b. So this is in terms of s, a, b, c we got. In terms of only s and b. So s minus b is the required answer. Okay. Next example 12. So 12th one is not example, second bit 12th question. So if b plus c equal to 3a, b plus c equal to 3a, then find the value of cot b by 2, cot c by 2, cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Okay. Solution. b plus c equal to 3a. b plus c equal to 3a. So adding a on both sides, a plus b plus c equal to a plus 3a. So a plus b plus c 2s equal to 4a. S equal to 2a. Simply. So 2 cancel, s equal to 2a. Next, we need to find cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 equal to. So cot b by 2 formula s into s minus b by delta into. So this reverse formula I am taking delta by s minus a s minus b. S minus a, s minus b. So delta cancel. S minus b also will be cancel. So s by s minus c. S by s minus c. S equal to 2a. S equal to 2a minus c. 2a by 2a minus a. A cancel. 2. Cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 equal to 2. So this is the solution. Next question number 13. So 13th one is prove that b plus c of cos of b plus c by 2 equal to a cos of b minus c by 2 a cos of b minus c by 2. Okay, now so I want to take LHS left side. LHS is b plus c cos b plus c by 2. b 2r sin b, b equal to 2r sin b. c equal to 2r sin c of cos of b plus c by 2. So 2r common, sin b plus sin c cos b minus b plus c by 2. So sin c plus sin d formula. What is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2r 2 sin b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2 into cos b plus c by 2. Now, so 2r, I want to keep this one inside, this one outside. 2 sin b plus c by 2 cos b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a. So 2r sin 2 into b plus c by 2 sin 2a cos b minus c by 2. So 2 cancel. So 2r sin of b plus c cos of b minus c by 2. So b plus c I want to write it as 180 minus c. So 2r sin 180 minus a cos of b minus c by 2. So since it is 180, sin will become sin. 180 minus second quadrant, sin is positive. So 2r sin a cos of b minus c by 2. 2r sin a equal to small a cos of b minus c by 2. Small a cos of b minus c by 2. This is equal to RHS. This we need to prove. Next, 14th question. 14th question is, in triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square by a square equal to sin of b minus c by sin of b plus c. Sin of b minus c by sin of b plus c. Okay, solution or proof. So LHS b square minus c square by a square, b square minus c square by a square, b equal to 2r sin b whole square minus 2r sin c whole square by 2r sin a whole square. So 4r square common, 4r square sin square b minus sin square c by 4r square sin square a. 4r square cancel. Sin square a minus sin square b, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c by sin square. I want to write this a as 180 minus of b plus c. 180 minus of b plus c. So sin of 180 minus theta. 180 sin will become sin. 180 minus second quadrant positive. So since it is plus square, again positive. Sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c by, so this is sin of 180 minus theta, sin square of b plus c. So sin of b plus c, one of the sin of b plus c cancel. Sin of b minus c by sin of b plus c. So this sin of b minus c equal to sin of b plus c. Hence it is proved this is equal to RHS. So this is the required result.